welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazmine. Today I wanted to show you guys what I got in my latest Trunk Club box. So now that I have a job, I needed some more work attire, so I told my stylist a couple of months ago to send me more like work related items rather than like just regular casual everyday or loungewear, so that way I can have more like stylish pieces to wear to work. So the first thing that I got is this long sleeve black shirt, and this is from the brand Chelsea 28, and this is in an extra small, and this top is pretty see-through, and I'm okay with like lighter tops being see-through because, you know, it's a lighter color. I don't really like when like a darker top or anything that's darker is see-through, just because it's like it should be dark, it shouldn't be see-through. Like I don't want people to see like I don't want to have to wear like a tube top or a tank top underneath like a dark shirt. Yeah, this shirt is very thin and it feels very nice though. It's nice for me to lounge in and to sleep in, but for working purposes, no. So I got a turtleneck bodysuit in the color baby pink, and this is from the brand Free People. Oh my god, this looks like a Free People item actually. I don't know what material this is, but it feels pretty nice. I think I would like it a lot better if it wasn't a bodysuit, although I've been kind of wanting bodysuits a little bit. I think I want a blouse bodysuit, just because I already tuck in my blouses already, and the price is pretty good too for something from Free People. It's $48. Then I got another turtleneck. This is a crop top from Topshop. I didn't even mean to make that rhyme. And it looks cute like this, but when I put it on, it is pretty cropped. I feel like this would be a lot better if it was oversized. This is in this size. This size is extra small. I would have been fine if it was like a small or a medium, just so that way it can fit me a little bit better lengthwise. It is pretty stretchy and it is pretty comfortable. The neckline isn't all that bad. I would want it to be a little bit shorter. The last top that I got is a sweater from Madewell, and this is what it looks like. The color, I don't really know what the color is, but it's like very fall-esque. The sleeves, I really like the sleeves, how it has these little balls right here to just kind of decorate and make it cute instead of like a plain knitted sweater like the one I'm wearing right now. It is pretty heavy just holding it, so I'm imagining that it will probably keep you pretty warm in the fall or probably the winter time. And yeah, it's a pretty cute top. This is probably the only thing that I'll most likely keep in this box. Who knows? But it's very cute. I really like it a lot. I can definitely wear this to work, and I can also wear this outside of work too, which is really nice. So next I got some jackets, and the first one I got is a crotch blazer from Leith. It's a colorful plaid pattern, and you know, I don't like it. I don't like the color scheme that they use for the plaid, because I have been into like plaid blazers, especially the oversized boyfriend blazers, and for those I like to keep them neutral colors, like, you know, the basic gray, black, brown. So I'm not really feeling the colors that much, but I do like the way it fits me. This would be, if it was like a solid color, I will most likely keep it, because it will be nice to just have like a cropped blazer so it could look professional, but also it doesn't have to look like a traditional professional, if that makes sense. But this is a no for me. It might be a yes for you, but it's a no for me. Okay, so next I got another blazer, and I believe this is more of a boyfriend blazer. I don't really know what style blazer this is, because on the model it looked like a regular size blazer, but when I got it, it's like pretty long, which I'm not really mad about. I really like long blazers like this. As you can see, I cuffed them at the sleeves because I love how it I love that look of like cuff sleeves with this kind of blazer. I don't really know. But this also has shoulder pads, which I'm not really feeling the shoulder pads, so if I do keep this, I'm definitely going to take those out. just because I'm not really feeling the whole pointy short shoulders look. And it only has a one button. The pockets, I thought they were like fake, but apparently they're stitched in, and I honestly don't really get why certain brands stitch in their pockets. It's really weird. Either have the pocket or don't have the pocket. Don't make me work for it. So yeah, so I'm definitely might consider keeping this because I've been looking for a lighter plaid gray color blazer like this. Although I did find another one from a different website. It's called 66 Girls and it's for $40. That I also might get. Last jacket I got is this furry jacket from RP Rachel Parcell, and it is this beige furry jacket, and I think I have no idea why I was sent this because I didn't really send him any inspiration that I wanted like a furry jacket. But it's extremely cute though. It'll definitely keep you warm in like the cold weather, but it does shed. Like when I tried it on, I was wearing like a black tube top and some black biker shorts, and it got fur all over me, or like faux fur all over me. I definitely don't want to have to deal with that because if I do keep this, I will most likely wear it with black stuff, just because I feel like it'll look really good with that, and I don't want to constantly have to use a lint roller for this. Also, the fur can get into your mouth. When I was trying this on, I kind of got some in my mouth and it just feels disgusting. I got a pair of pants, and this is from DL1961 Marina Hewitt. I swear, from being subscribed to Trunk Club, I've heard of the weirdest brand names ever. But I'm not mad about it, you know. Do you, boo boo, do you. And this is a high-rise vintage straight pants. And I normally don't really like straight pants, mostly like regular or skinny. But I do like high-rise. Like I like the high-waisted look of pants. Like the high-waisted pants that I got from Reformation, I literally wear those so many times to the point where I'm considering on repurchasing the same exact pants. So that way in case something happens to my main pants, I have a backup. Because I just like the way it feels. It's high-waisted. I could wear crop tops without people judging me about showing my stomach and stuff like that. It just makes my body look good and stuff like that. Okay, totally sidetracked. They fit me nice like up here around my waist area and the butt area. It doesn't reach all the way down to my feet. Which I kind of have a problem with because then that means I will have to wear heels with this or boots, and I don't want to do that at all. Also, there are a lot of buttons, and I honestly don't really like buttons that much just because I find it like kind of difficult to like unbutton and rebutton and unbutton. I just prefer a zipper and one button. You know, having 5 buttons right here, it's very unnecessary. It's cute, but it's unnecessary. So the next bottom that I got is a plaid skirt from BP, and I thought that Reformation clothing was thin. No, this is literally thin. This is like, first of all, it's see-through, and it feels like they just cut off the little fabric and just sewed on a little waistband, and then that's it. And I don't know. First of all, the plaid print, I didn't really like it when I previewed it, but I still wanted to like try it on to see how it looks. But it's kind of growing on me. I don't like how thin it is, and I also don't like how see-through it is, just because it's like I like skirts that are a little bit more like structure onto it. So the last bottom that I got is a mid-low skirt, I believe it's called. Is it called that? And this is from RP Rachel Parcell. I don't really know. Like, I like to experiment and try different clothing items, but this one is kind of far reach. First of all, I'm not really a big fan of the whole mid skirts, just because I like to have a lot of movement when I walk, and when I'm wearing like a skirt like this, I don't have a lot of movement. I do really like the color of this though. It's a really nice color, and the button detailing is pretty nice, but you can't really unbutton it. It does have a zipper in the back and a hook to hook it, which I honestly don't mind. And yeah, it fits me pretty nicely. I honestly didn't expect it to fit me that good, but it does fit me pretty nicely. It is pretty wide around the waist area, which is to be expected for like my body type, because a lot of clothes, a lot of bottoms that I try, it's big up here, but fits me nice the bottom down. So that's everything that I got from my latest Trunk Club box. A lot of the pieces were very nice and interesting. I just didn't like how it looked on me, or I just didn't like the quality of certain pieces. But I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.